Welcome Freedom Hero. One of the most frustrating situation in marketing is when you want to come up with an idea for content, but your mind goes blank, you're staring at an empty page, the minutes pass by unproductively and quickly. This happens to all of us from time to time. To help you to solve that issue, in this episode I will tell you about the top 9 sources that you can use to get content ideas for your marketing quickly and easily. My name is István Bújdosó and this is the 47 Marketing Show. The goal of this episode is not to give you a fish, the goal is to teach you how to fish. So although you will hear some content idea examples, the focus will be on showing you how to use the top 9 sources to come up with your own own content ideas quickly and easily. Okay, let's get started. Source number 1, your own content idea bank. Create your own content idea bank. Use a free tool like Google Docs or Evernote, something that you can access from your phone and laptop as well. And anytime when you have a good idea for a content, add them to your idea bank right away before you forget it. This can be kind of a lifesaver when you need to create new videos, blog posts, and other marketing assets. At that time, you can simply open your own content idea bank and get inspired really quickly. Does this make sense? Okay, source number 2, Dream 100. I picked up this strategy and content idea source from Russell Brunson when I recently listened to his Traffic Secrets audiobook. A small part of the Dream 100 strategy is to follow 100 or more people online who already have relationships with your target audience and potential leads, and to check what and how they are posting on social media. Those posts can be a great source of inspiration for your own content as well. For example, Russell every week does a longer Facebook Live called Marketing Secrets Live that has 4 or 5 different sections in it that they later split up into multiple content pieces and post them on social media. This way, sharing monologue style teaching videos, Q&As, interviews, list style content like this episode as well. Can you see how the content of your Dream 100 can be a great source of inspiration for your own content? Okay, source number 3, things you learn. If you are like me, you love learning and growing every day. The books you read, the videos you watch, the courses you complete, and any other ways you learn are great sources for you to get ideas for new content. For example, from an online course, I recently got ideas for a couple of how-to videos, a case study video, and a problem and solution style video. Are you following this so far? Source number 4, YouTube and Google, the 2 biggest search engines online currently. They can be also really good sources to find content ideas. Search for the keywords that your target audience is searching for as well. And check out the videos and blog posts to get inspired for new ideas. This is the way I searched for the marketing automation keyword ones and found recommendation style articles, video reviews, and myth and misconception style content that help to get more new ideas. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Source number 5, Funnel Script. This is a powerful tool for copywriting. Basically, you answer questions and based on your answers, the software generates professionally written copies in seconds, which is really cool. One of the many features is generating hundreds of amazing attention-grabbing titles that you can get inspirations from for new content. Some of the episodes of the 47 Marketing Show were inspired by that, a few tip, mistake, and question-based episodes. Are you getting this? Source number 6, life experiences. Life is full of magical inspirations. Just think about things that you did, happened to you, heard about, and so on. All that you can use to tell stories and relate them to your products and services. This way you can have plenty of new content ideas from them. Based on the stories of your own business and your life, you can also create starting over style content, telling your target audience what you would do differently if you could start over. Can you see how your life experiences are great to get inspirations from? Okay, source number 7, current events. These are things that happened recently or happening now or will happen in the close future. Some of those can be easily related to your business and used as inspiration for news-based content or content that tell about trends. That makes sense, right? Okay, source number 8, Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a website you can use to find out what people are asking about a topic. For example, what questions your target audience frequently asks. And you can create content that answers some of those questions. This is how I search for lead generation keywords in the past and got back a lot of really good questions that inspired 101 style videos and ones that explained the fundamentals of lead generation. Okay, are you ready for the last one? Source number 9, BuzzSumo. This is another search tool that can give you great content inspiration. The cool thing about this software is that it not only shows you relevant content based on your keywords, it also shows you how much engagement those contents got on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and a few more. So based on that, you can create your own new content that potentially will get more social media engagement, which is exciting, don't you think? When you run out of ideas, instead of staring at the empty page or not creating any content, use these sources to get ideas really quickly and then create new content that you can plug into your marketing automation, videos, blog posts, social media posts, emails, and so on. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Just one last thing before we go. If you want to generate leads without cold calling, get the amount of leads you want, or even if you just want to find the hot leads without wasting time on cold leads, then this is the most important message you will hear all year. And here's why. Because in today's business world, getting the right leads or not can mean the difference between growing your business or losing it. Let me tell you about the hybrid lead automation hacks that will walk you step by step through the entire proven process from start to finish. It will give you the exact blueprint you need to succeed in igniting your automated lead generation in as little as 15 days without cold calling. This proven process is so simple that you can do it even if you have never done anything like this before. And you can start right now by visiting 47funnelsecrets.com. The first time I implemented this process, it 20x'd our lead generation in 3 months on autopilot, which is amazing, right? Besides that, this proven process already helped hundreds of entrepreneurs like you to automate their lead generation, and you can be the next one. Just go to 47funnelsecrets.com and get started now. Hey, are you still here? You know, every minute you wait is another lead you miss who will just go to your competitor. So take action now and ignite your automated lead generation. Just go to 47funnelsecrets.com and get started now.